Beautiful snowy morning. I'm out here with Ka-Bar at the entrance of a large, beautiful dog park. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that this is some of my favorite weather. Come along. Just beautiful. Beautiful morning. Beautiful above the river valley today. Good boy. Walking on ice right now, so it's a little slick. Underneath all this snow is ice. You have a natural spring that comes out down here, and as everything freezes, it just kind of coats this whole area in a layer of ice. dog up here he's going to greet. Hi. Cute dog. Handsome dog. Yeah, I like your dog. What is he?
He's a Seaback.
Is he?
Shiba Inu, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. I like yours too.
Oh, thank you.
What kind of breed is that one?
He's just a shepherd mix. He's got some husky and collie and that in him. Yep.
Hi, puppy. I'm a friend. So you can try some.
Some of my favorite weather to be out in.
Yeah. I know I'm with you. Yeah, I love it. Easier to see him. Well, unless he's over there.
Yes, with the white background, 100%. Well, hey, take care.
You too.
Come on, Ka-Bar. Hey, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, enjoying the snow.
Beautiful.
Hey, guys. Can't help but smile when you see dogs together. Always puts me in a good mood. Making friends, huh, Ka-Bar? Dog up here he's going to greet. Oh, just a person. How you doing today?
Good.
There's people over there with their dogs. Come on. Ka-Bar, come on. Come on. Boy. Good boy. Thanks for listening, bud. Got a bunch of dogs there playing. He wants to go greet them, but he's listening really well. Even with distractions. Absolutely beautiful, huh? Again, some of my favorite weather. Yeah, buddy? And more ice again because this is a natural spring that runs down into here. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Oh, enjoying the day. It's beautiful.
It's such a beautiful morning. What are you guys doing?
Cute dog. Come on, Ka-Bar. Hey, cutie. Lucky girl. She's telling you leave.
I can figure out what you're doing right now.
She's saying, quit sniffing on my privates.
Let's go.
Take care. Come on. Oh, buddy. Some dogs over there. It's like a collie, and can't tell what the other one is from here. Give you the panoramic 360. You hear my feet squeaking on the snow. You can tell by the sound of the snow kind of how cold it is. The colder it gets, the louder and more squeaky the snow becomes, the more like styrofoam it starts to sound. Right now it's about 8 degrees Fahrenheit with wind chill. You can hear what it sounds like there. You know, in some of my videos where I come out and it's like minus 30 below 0 Fahrenheit, the snow is very loud and squeaky. It's like you're sounds like a styrofoam cooler. Come on, Ka-Bar. Come on. Good boy. Sciatica's acting up. I gotta adjust it for a second. Just watching the dogs back behind us. You're such a handsome boy. Aren't you? See how clear that is. This is beautiful. I'm glad I didn't dress real heavy. I'm already feeling hot. That's the one nice thing about wool clothing like this really heavy 29-ounce wool shirt from Filson is that it breathes when you're hot. And it still retains heat when it's wet. I love wearing wool in the winter for those two things. One. One. They're going through here and cutting out all the invasive buckthorn trees. The buckthorn berries in the winter are really hard on the local wild bird population. You can cause dysentery in them, which dehydrates them, and then it also makes it so that the eggs they produce are brittle. And so they're going through during the winter here and cutting a lot of this stuff out. Golden retriever or something up over that way. That's its owner right there. Come on, Ka-Bar. We're going this way. Good boy. Come on, Ka-Bar. Down. Down. Come on. Yeah, buddy, I don't want to fall on you. He says, I don't care, as he crawls right underneath me as I'm jumping. A rackhead. What's up, buddy? It's a friend of mine, Adam. Good to see you. This is wolf dog Luna. Oh, cutie. Beautiful day, huh?
I've just been standing here like I can't believe how perfect it is. It's crazy. Best temperature.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, enjoying the day. It's beautiful.
Yeah, compared to what's going to be tomorrow.
As I said, all the way across the river today, huh?
Yeah.
So, sweetie. She almost took you down.
Like all the slippery rocks, she almost took me every time. I was like, come on.
Boy, Lobo was whining so hard to come today.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, he's getting around better and better every day.
Watching the videos and seeing the updates. And you said they took the knob off?
Yeah, they took the knob off his femur. It's called an FHO.
Yeah.
I'm amazed that he's walking around just fine.
That's a trip. How the body just works.
Hey, buddy. Vishla?
Oh, yeah. Old 10, so
Oh, cutie.
he's good. He's getting gray.
I got a couple old ones at home too.
You know?
Who's this?
That's Ka-Bar.
Ka-Bar. He looks thick.
Yeah.
He looks healthy, man.
Yeah.
That's all I've been trying to do with her is get her to eat, and she's just eats like a mouse.
I'm gonna finish filming my video heading down there, man. It was really good seeing you.
Yeah, man. Likewise.
Yeah, we should hook up and come down here together and just hang out.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm always, you know, I knew the weather was gonna be like this, so I was like, I told her, I was like, I just hope I don't oversleep. You know, it's always hard on my day off to not like sleep in a little bit. And today I was like, nope, I'm getting out there. Oh yeah, Ka-Bar's big. He's beautiful. Jeez.
Yeah, he's
I got a good look at him. Like some of the videos just don't do it justice. How beautiful they are in person.
he's a good mix of his mom and dad.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Look at him.
I haven't been able to get any hiking videos up with everything going on with Lobo, so I'm down here now trying to get something up.
Get it in while you can.
Yeah.
Are you gonna come back out again today?
Yeah, I'll probably come down here a little later on.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. This is my favorite weather to film in.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, it's perfect. You can come back out and it looks like you were the first one out again.
Well, and you can you get some really great screenshots and stuff off these too.
And I have my camera with me. I haven't pulled it out yet, but I plan on shooting on the way out. I was like, just wanted to focus on walking with her and
Ka-Bar, get out.
long ass leash.
You got a talker. Bubba, head down. Take care, buddy.
Good seeing you.
Yes.
Bye, Ka-Bar.
Come on, Ka-Bar. Come on. This is my friend Adam and his dog Luna. He's a really nice guy. Ka-Bar, come on. Good boy. Again, the mighty Mississippi, right over here. How you guys doing?
Hi.
Oh, enjoying the day. It's beautiful, huh? Cute dogs. Hey, guys. Come on. Again, you can see my dogs are all pretty good natured. You know, they handle stuff like that very, very nonchalantly. That big mass in the tree you see at the tip of my finger there is a big eagle's nest. There's another one across the river, just down a little bit from that one. I know where there are at least 5 along the Mississippi River Valley here on both sides of the river. Well, even the birds are happy today. You hear them singing? Hard to not be in a good mood on such a beautiful day. Got the zoomies. What a cutie. Hi.
Come on.
Sciatic is acting up. Hey, how you doing?
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Ah, Ka-Bar, 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 get down. Hey, come on. Ka-Bar, come on. Come on. You ever see your dog doing something you don't like you could see Ka-Bar was going to mount that dog there, not aggressively, but mount it. I just step in and tell him no. Then you just keep reinforcing that behavior. Good boy. I mean, that's dog training 101. I mean, but I sometimes feel it's important to mention that because you have a lot of novice dog owners who do watch the channel. What the heck is that? Did you hear that horn? That was odd. I hear a bunch of dogs going crazy. Is there a dog fight or something? I want to get a good bearing on the direction that's coming from so I can avoid it. Something's going on. I like to keep these hikes stress and drama free. Like most things in my life, I like to keep that way. The older I get, the more important that becomes. Keeping things stress and drama free. Life's too short to waste it on stupid stuff. And the older you get, the faster time seems to go by. That's why it's good to live in the moment and enjoy things, because there'll become a time in the future when you might look back on those things and wish you had spent more time enjoying them while you were doing them. Clear my lens off here. Look at my t-shirt. I can't separate my t-shirt from my sweatshirt. I know that. Often YouTube will put a commercial break in when I do this. Did they? Yeah, that big commotion sounded like it was happening by the main gate area. That's one of the reasons why I don't come into the dog park that way or go out the dog park out the main gate. You get a lot of people letting their dogs off leash to come in, and they're super amped up and excited, and they run into a dog that's not very tolerant, and the next thing you know yeah, I use a back entrance to come down in here and in to leave, and the areas I hike through the dog park tend to be the areas that not a lot of people go through. A lot of people tend to come in the main entrance and then just congregate in the first couple hundred yards after there and just let their dogs run around and play. But there's miles of trails going all through the park that you can walk back and forth on if you want to get a workout. That's what I like to do down here. You hear that? Thought I could hear some dogs commotion. All right, now we got to climb up and out of the valley. Forgive the heavy breathing that's to come. All right, come on, buddy. Beautiful shot. How you doing? Beautiful morning, huh? Some of my favorite weather to be out with the dog in. Hey, buddy. Boy, aren't you handsome? Come on, Ka-Bar. Come on. Well, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Thank you, everybody, again, who donated to Lobo's GoFundMe. I can't thank you enough, as the recovery is going great. He was whining like crazy to go on this walk. I'm sure if I let him, he would have. Of course, you wouldn't want to do that right now, but again, that's how good he's feeling. And the big smile on my face is how good that makes me feel. Thank you. Also, thank you, everybody, for all the well wishes and prayers for him also. Everything helped. Thank you. That's all. Bye for myself, my homie, Mr. Ka-Bar, my perpetually beautiful wife, who's at home right now. See ya. Oh, check out our merch store. I'm going to be designing a bunch of new merch soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.